Question 24 is again a common one. Heat pumps are driven by electricity. So if they're driven by electricity, how can we call them renewable? Because everybody knows that not all of the electricity in the UK is renewable. Some of it is made from nuclear power stations, some is made from coal and gas powered fire stations. And since you can't choose exactly where your electricity comes from, some of that isn't renewable. And it's a really, really good question, but I want to get involved a little bit in the maths just to show you what's going on. So much earlier in the course we talked about the fact that heat pumps, the way they work is that we put electricity into the front of the unit and we use that to drag in a couple of units of free energy from the garden. So if I assume I put one unit in and gather two more from the garden, and I assume that that electricity we're using is nasty, horrible stuff, all from fossil fuels, 66% of the heat that I put into the building is renewable.